So here we have a new streaming application fully updated for May 2025, just giving you a massive library of free movies, TV shows, and even live TV. Now this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It now has a fully working program guide, the EPG, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And with this latest version, they've now added in some fantastic content, and it doesn't have any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started.
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So this is the updated version of MovieArc, which has now had more than 1 million downloads. So very, very popular application. Doesn't need any registration, no subscription. All of this content free with no adverts, and has more than 3,000 movies included in this platform. And as you can see here, this was updated on the 18th of May 2025, and that is one of the things I try to do on my channel, which is to bring you the latest applications, the best tips and tricks for your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, really just how to get the most from your streaming devices, and very soon including Apple TV 4K. So if you guys are interested in any of that, make sure you are subscribed with all notifications. Let's open up the application. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see on the top left, they've got this new AI search, which I will demonstrate in just a second. But we have the movie section. Let's go on to that. You can now see movies, the new arrivals. You've got mind-twisting movies, comedy, horror, fantasy, conspiracy, new arrivals, dark side, gangster, supernatural. So lots and lots of your favorite categories. Power of Revenge. You got some Asian content. You can see they've created some good playlists here, like Alien Alert, like family-friendly movies. So for that, let's click on this first one. We can see exactly what the movie's about, who's in there. I can now click on play, and we can see in less than 5 seconds that starts streaming straight away. And you see, I didn't see any adverts when that program started. And that's working absolutely fine. Let's back out. Then you got Spanish movies, psychological thrillers, Stranger Things, futuristic movies. It's not just what you see here, guys. I can scroll to the right. You can see it is a very, very large library of content. You got Midnight Scream, which is going to be your horror content. Then you got TV shows. Let's go into that now. You can now see some very popular TV shows. Again, properly sorted out in their own genres, fantasy. You got some YouTube content, classic TV, crime and files. Let's try this one over here. And you can see, guys, it's not just one season. We've got access to all 14 seasons. So for a test, if I just do season 9, episode 3, let's click on that, click on play, and in a couple of seconds that starts streaming directly on my device. So super easy to use, and that's working great. Let's back out of that. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. Then you got the category section. So for example, if I'm only looking for sci-fi content, I can click on that. If I'm only looking for supernatural, this is basically another way you can filter through the content and find what you're looking for. For black cinema, you got short films, you got drama, animation. Let's look at animation. You can see lots and lots of animation content. Let's go back. Lots of different content in here. Then you got the live TV section. So I really was impressed that they've actually added in some live channels, all with the fully working program guide. You got feature channels, you got movie marathon, you got TV shows, lots of different things. And you can see it's a live broadcast because it shows you exactly what's on now on this particular channel. So here, for example, on the movie marathon, we've got Blue Demon. Let's click on that. So we should be jumping straight into that movie. And we can see it's done exactly that. Here, for example, in Kids and Family, let's try this channel here. Just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode or one movie, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free on all of your streaming devices. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you've got a new section on the top right. And here you can see some other popular content. They've got some newer trailers, newer movies, new TV shows. All of that is available. Let's try the AI search. So for example, if I just say cooking, this should now use AI to hopefully find the content that matches that. You can see, so it's found some trailers, it's found some shows, all matching that. So you've got Crops and Cooking Guide, you've got the official cooking book, Monster Hunter Wilds, which is all somehow related to cooking. Not sure exactly how, but it's working. Let's go back, go to watch history. And here, for example, you can see the stuff that you previously watched and it will allow you to carry on watching where you left off. So I really think that's a great feature, especially the fact that the application doesn't require you to sign in. The fact that you can start a movie or a TV show, step away, and you can come back at another time and carry on watching exactly where you left off. So overall, guys, I'm pretty impressed with this new version of MovieArc, just with that large library of the VOD content, the fully working program guide, all of those live channels. Very, very impressive. Let me show you how you can get this on all of your devices. Let's press the home key. Now to get this application on all of your devices, just head over to search. Let's click on that. Let's now just type in the word movie, and then type in A, and you see MovieArc. Let's click on that. That's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or your Google Play Store, I will upload the latest version of this application directly onto my website. Just head over to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get MovieArc on all of your devices. I would recommend that if you are using certain applications or streaming certain content, it is always just advisable to use a VPN. When you use a VPN, you're basically covering or protecting your online digital identity, your digital fingerprint, which is your IP address. Because when you activate a VPN, you're now no longer using your own IP address, you're using an IP address from your VPN provider. So you can then access geo-locked content, change your virtual location, you can protect yourself online, all of that and much more just by activating your VPN. Right now, there's a special offer from the VPN that I personally recommend where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.